Good morning, everybody. I'm Nathan, I'm from Air, and this is my incredible team. So Air is a professional messaging platform dedicated to all your peer-to-peer activity, empowered by blockchain-based management. Okay, so Uber was recently paused in Austin, Texas. So an unlikely group called Arcade City Austin created a unregulated peer-to-peer group to overcome the slack. And actually they grew to over 30,000 people with very little time. So that actually brings a very big question. Do we actually still need centralized companies like Uber or Airbnb? Or actually does the real opportunity lie in decentralized companies that are directly connecting people with products and services and without intermediaries, fees, or restrictions? So basically, Air is Facebook Messenger for business, and really only for business. We are a chat as a platform for companies just like Austin City Arcade to actually create these new business models of tomorrow on a new medium, but without social clutter. So we're going to help them build custom profiles. We'll help them create a network using chat, and we'll help them create chatbots and mini app to drive their business. Then we're going to help them monetize with our tie-ins with InsurTech and FinTech. And then ultimately, we're going to give them an incredible tool for them and for their users to manage all their activity. So they can manage email and chat, connected things, and of course, peer-to-peer commerce. Now, I can go ahead and create the greatest platform ever, but if I don't have trust, I really don't have much. So we're creating a reputation protocol that will enable a process to aggregate user ratings, reviews, and so forth into a combined score. Then we're creating a new level of confidence by certifying the person's identification. And we're doing that by working directly with banks and insurance companies. And ultimately, we're going to store this on blockchain. Air basically encrypts and stores user reputation on a public blockchain layer instead of centralized servers like Google or Facebook, so that the users actually own their reputation. They can self-regulate their data, and they can safeguard privacy. These are very important to this new generation of users. Okay, so we're not one more app on your mobile wall. We are basically, like here, like everybody else in this show today, we're creating new technologies, but we are also creating new apps for everything. And we simply can't expect our users to have an app for everything. So what if we could merge all these apps into chatbots, which will then merge into a professional messaging platform dedicated just to that, to your activities. And of course, we would empower this by blockchain-based management. Basically, if we want to enable the digital economy for the end user, we need to find a way to create a platform that is common to all instead of having millions of applications. And then we also need to work on a collaborative reputation solution that is also works for everybody in one place. And Air is the one who's going to do it. Thank you.